Hello, and welcome to the first edition of the EIS HeadsUp newsletter this academic year. I hope you enjoy it. Before we open our doors to students each academic year, we run a teacher and staff training week. During this week, we have collaborative meetings, internal training, document review, classroom setup, but also invite some external specialists like Montessori specialist this year who came to talk to our preschool teachers. To start off the year successfully, we carefully plan the first week of school to ensure a smooth transition for both our new students and our returning students. Then the first day of school is usually a shorter day where students come just to get to know the teacher, get to know their classmates, and go home. Then, after 2 or 3 full school days, everyone comes in for an open day. Parents are invited to classrooms to experience learning with their students, to get to know the teacher in action, to really see what classroom learning means at EIS. And it's a fun day for both students and parents. And then everyone gets out for an amazing event called the Family Day. Can you see the flags are still up here on our campus? We left them here because was a remarkable day, full of memories, music, laughter, different kind of performances, activities, fun events, and amazing food. And it's a day where the whole community and some guests come together to experience our school and the amazing atmosphere, the feeling of community and friendship we have been able to build here. This year, we also participated in a Father's Day celebrations in Riga. Our art teachers have put together a booth, a stand where parents and children could come and enjoy arts and crafts activities, including making little special gifts for their fathers right there instantly. Every year, our students take part in the International French Language Examination DELF or DELF. And every year, the French Institute holds a tradition of awarding the diplomas to the students, and many of our students receive their recognition, and we congratulate them on their achievement and the continuation of French language tradition at our school. We have participated in the international football tournament that was organized as a collaborative effort between the international schools in town. Middle school team and 2 primary teams represented EIS at the tournament, and I have amazing news for you. Our primary team, without losing a game and without even being scored on, have won the tournament, won the championship, and celebrated together this amazing achievement for our school and our community as a whole. During the last week of September, our student councils ran the Spirit Weeks. Every day was marked by a theme, like a pajamas day where everyone wore pajamas, or a twin day where you dressed like somebody else in school, or your favorite vacation outfit day. But it all culminated with the Different Shoes Day, which was actually celebrated all across Latvia to celebrate the human uniqueness, because we're all different and we all are unique. Not only our teachers are lifelong learners, but also our operational staff. Marketing, admissions, finances, and HR invited a specialist in AI to teach them how to use AI in their specific fields. To finish off this month, I held my first Coffee with the Head of School event for parents. It was a great success, amazing discussion on several issues. I listened to the parents, took their feedback, and got back to them with an action points of what we're going to do. I thank all the parents who joined, and I invite everyone else to join us next time on the 29th of October. Over the summer, we had a new set of swings installed on our campus, and the students have been enjoying the swings every recess. So I'm trying out our new swing. It's pretty fun. I hope you enjoyed this newsletter, and I see you next time.